How to remap keys under Linux for a specific keyboard only. I've recently bought a Unicomp keyboard that comes with swapped right Alt and Windows keys. The keyboard identifies like this on LSUSP. Is there a way to have the kernel, i.e. not modmap based, swap the right Alt and Windows keys so every application sees them in the swapped places even if they get raw keyboard input? Swapping stuff with modmap won't do that? Is there a way to have that only for this one keyboard?
Yes, it's possible using XKB. Unlike SModMap, XKB can remap your keys for individual devices. Note, make sure you have XComp is greater than 1.2.0. First list your devices with input list. You'll get something like this. Identify the string of your device and edit the following shell script, changing the said line with one that fits your device's name. Then change the keys you need remapped. Example, load Zev and press a key you want to remap. Suppose you find out it's key code 84. Look up 84 in this URL. The key name there is. Then look up the key you want it replaced by in the same link farther below, and copy what's inside the brackets. Repeat the process for all the keys you want. Then source it, you can add it to your .zinitric. All done. Now pressing the keys should generate the desired output, only for the device you specified.
For anyone else who's coming here off Google and wants an answer more in line with what the questioner was originally hoping for, I am aware of 2 ways to remap events at the evdev level so that the change applies to all applications. UDEV provides an API for modifying the hardware database entries which control the mappings between scan codes and key codes. This ArcaWiki page, which contains instructions, explicitly says that it'll work for both X11 and console input. The gist is that you create a custom entry in /etc/udev/hwdb.d/ which consists of a device match pattern and some scan code to key code remapping definitions. Then run systemd hwdb update to rebuild the database and UDEV trigger apply it without a reboot. Given that Wayland doesn't use X11's keyboard subsystem and major Wayland compositors like GNOME Shell and Weston don't implement UIS to configure the relevant aspects of libinput, someone wrote a daemon named evdev remap keys which resolves the problem similarly to the G15 daemon user space driver for Logitech G15 gaming keyboards. It swallows events it intends to remap, so nothing else listening on the device can see them, then emits the corrected events via the uinput API for creating kernel-level input devices from user space.
For those who didn't succeed with the Whatcom option, just put your new mapping file, smth like. As may be root, Ubuntu, may differ for your distrib, call the file custom. Ask for your current layout string with setjobmap, device, print grep xkb _ and add plus custom to it. Set new layout with remapped keys with unmodified layout string. Effect is not permanent and unfortunately resets when other keyboard is connected, didn't figure how to fix it yet. You can add the command above to your .bashak though, so keys are swapped on restart if necessary.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.